Leetcode weekly context 485. Question number 1. Vowel-Consonant score. To find out the score of this string, first of all, we want to go through this string for each characters one by one, and so that we can count the number of vowels and the consonant. Then we just follow the rule to calculate the b divided by c. And how do we tell if it is a vowel? We can check if this character is in the string of a, e, I, o, u. And how do we check if it is a consonant letter? We can check if it is in the string of other letters. That is an approach we're gonna solve this problem.